Hello everyone, we are the student of class 9 Sky from Mappers Academy Deoband. Today we are here to perform a science activity about true solution, colloid and suspension and also differentiate between them on the behalf of their properties.
I am Anmejan. True solution is the solution in which solute completely dissolve in the solvent. We are making three true solution with the help of sugar, salt and vinegar. Suspension is a heterogeneous mixture. They are clearly visible and they are enough to see by naked eyes. We are making suspension with the help of soil, sand and chalk powder. Colloids is a heterogeneous mixture. They are uniformly distributed in the solvent and the particles of size is enough to seen by naked eyes.
Now you can see the solutions. There are 3 true solution and 3 suspension and 2 colloids. Now let's differentiate between them on the behalf of their properties. First is stability test. As you can see that the particles of the solute in true solutions are not settled down, so it is stable. And in suspension, as you can see that the particles of solutes are settled down, so it is not stable. And in colloids, it is relatively stable because the particles are not settled down, but it will settle down if we add some electrolyte in it. Now the second test is the transparency test. In true solutions, you are able to see clearly through the solution, so its transparency is transparent. And in suspension, you can't see clearly through the suspension, so its transparency is opaque. And in colloids, you are able to see but not clearly, so its transparency is translucent. Now it's time for the filtration test. Now it's time for the filtration test of colloids. As you can see that it also passes easily but not as the true solution. So if we want to separate these solutions, so we need a special membrane. Time for the suspension. As you can see that the particles of the solutes are stuck in the filter paper. So as a conclusion, we know that the suspension can be separated by the filter paper. I hope you will understand the activity. Thank you.